gotta grab the net.
Just don't worry about that. He'll probably come back that way. He might come back that way. Oh, he's coming straight in now. He's coming straight in. Not even fighting. Oh, dude, we're down to the bottom here.
The drag was set light.
Okay, we're gonna have to follow this guy. You are at the bottom of your spool completely. Completely. Look at that. Get a close-up shot quick. Look at that. We are down to the last thread. Took out too much line. Oh,
he's way out there.
Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Woo! It's coming back in. Thank God for that. We're down to nothing. Oh, he's coming straight in. Look at him
Yes,
go.
we need that.
Look at him go.
Yeah, we got to get more line on that rod, but that's our chunkiest rod we got.
Yeah, well.
That's like a 15-year-old little reel.
Oh, it's inland.
Boy, it's staying deep.
Yeah, he's coming in though.
Let's go. There he is.
Where is he?
He just surfaced.
Just seen him. Oh, look at how nice and silver that is. Yeah. Woo!
And we got this huge bait. Whoa, I just knocked over the bottle again.
There he goes.
We've got this huge school of shad hanging out in front of us, which is ideal for what's going on here. Exactly what we were hoping for.
Look at him go.
Just look at that huge
out again.
school of shad there. And we were just hoping one would come in.
Oh,
and then one bit.
Coming in again. Straight in.
Wonderful. You're picking up more line. I love to see it.
Fast enough. Look at him go, huh? He's coming straight in. He wants to shake that hook. There he is.
Oh, there he is.
See him down there.
I'm thinking a king.
Oh, yeah, that's a king.
Oh,
another one. Another one down here. Oh, man.
We got another one on the line?
Let him run. The bail's open. Let him run.
Oh, we got another one here. Because this one's...
double hitter.
This one's... We got a double hitter, my God. We got a school of king in here.
Oh, he's going to be running with that.
If it takes the rod, though, just grab the rod, but let her run.
Let's get this one in here. Grab the other one. Got double hitter.
A double header.
Our line's peeling out. We got unattended rods right now. Yeah, baby. Woo!
Just look at that beautiful king.
You're going to have to net them fast. And we're going to throw them on the pier, and then we're going to go grab that other.
Well, yeah, hang on. One at a time. This one is not done. If it takes that rod, don't grab it.
Yeah, no lines going out.
Okay, it might have spit the hook, but that's just the way it goes. We got to get one at a time here. We had a double header.
Look at that beautiful rainbow color on that king.
Yeah.
Nice king salmon. Look at how beautiful that guy is.
He
Look
looks...
how beautiful he is. Grab him. Hold on.
He has really got some nice coloration.
Oh, is he beautiful.
Probably about a close to 10-pounder, I would say.
Okay.
There we go.
Come on. Let's check the other rod quick. He's in the net. Check this guy.
He probably spit this hook.
He might have. You never know. Oh no, he took that line.
And he jumped right out of the water.
He's gone. That's alright though.
He's gone.
He's gone. The alewive's still there though.
Oh!
Is that normal?
The alewive's
That the
still there.
alewives are in so close?
Oh, yes.
Oh, look at that. He's still lively.
Oh, yeah, it was just a line bump.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of big carp came through right when you were fighting.
That could be it. Could have been a carp bump. They do that frequently. the fish did jump out of the water.
Well,
Okay, we're set up here.
alright. Back to the first catch. Yeah, got us a nice chinook salmon, a king.
Oh.
Look at how beautiful that guy is, huh?
Oh yeah, that's 15 pounds.
Every bit that. Nice fish.
Thanks, yeah. Yeah, I'd say that's close to 15, maybe 14.
We're gonna have to take him out of here. We're all snagged up.
Oh, does he have nice colors? He is beautiful. What do we got? Monday, July 27th.
Yeah.
He's a little hooked up with his teeth in the net.
I don't know how he got hooked up on that. There we go. There we go. Oh, we gotta outdo this.
Yeah, that's a 15 pounder, I would say. 14, 15.
We are all snagged with that egg or something. Pierce. That's a split shot. That figures.
Oh yeah, I got the old split shot on there.
Alright then.
I would just, oh, the hook's right here. The hook's right here.
There it is.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. And he's gonna you can take it right out.
Oh, ain't that nice, huh? Look at that. Came right out.
Hold up for me, would you?
We're
Beautiful.
all snagged out.
Oh, you did it again,
Woo!
Shannon. Good job.
Thanks a
What,
lot,
any
guys.
other shot?
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too. Well, it looks like you've already got a pretty good start.
Yeah. I can go out with him. He catches fish all the time.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Nice king. Got a mosquito in my ear.
Oh, that's a beauty.
That's a nice one.
Now look at his black mouth. He's got that black tongue.
Yeah.
You can see that black tongue in
He's
there.
not happy, is he?
And he's a natural again with this adipose fin.
Yep.
Look at that.
Look at
Another
that.
natural Chinook salmon.
Natural reproducer.
Wow. And
Sheboygan, Wisconsin.
there's those colors you love on
Nailing
his
'em
head.
On the pier.
He's got those iridescent colors.
The last 2 weeks, the fishing has been exceptional.
Well,
Look
good
at the size
job.
of that guy, huh? Ooh. Still wiggling. Look at him go. He's not happy. We're gonna put him on the stringer.
That was on your bottom rig again with
Styrofoam.
the white styrofoam this time.
Yep. About a 4-foot lead. With a little styrofoam and a number 6 hook.
Nice.
Or number 4, look at that. I think that's a female.
And he almost
We might
spooled
get
you
some
up.
spawn.
Yeah, and you almost were spooled out.
Look at how beautiful that is, huh? Look at this rainbow up here on him. The blue, the green, purple, pink. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera, but sure is nice in the sun.
Boy, these naturally reproduced Chinooks are just so colored, so nice with the silver and all.
Beautiful. That's what you come to Sheboygan, Wisconsin for right here, man. We got trophy fishing here. Look at that beautiful thing. Yeah,
Good job.
beautiful. Put them off to the side here. We got a double hitter.
Well, I think that was a carp that hit it, but that would have been neat.
Surfaced.
That would have been neat if it was a double hitter.
Surfaced.
Yeah, something did surface, so it could have been a king. There could have been a school of king in here. And I hope they saw that big school of shad that was out there in the water, because we were just talking about how, with that big school of shad hovering around here, how we thought some kings or
Right.
trout or something would come in.
Do another adjustment now.
All right, well, good job.
Yeah, good job. Got another fish. We're on the board. Okay, we just caught a nice 15-pound king salmon. We're using 12-pound test, a 3/4 ounce egg sinker, and a split shot. I prefer barrel swivel. Then we got about a 5-foot lead. We got a nice piece of styrofoam to keep it off the seaweed. There's a lot of seaweed lately. And a number 4 or 6 hook. I'm not sure which one this is, but it's pretty good size. And then we're gonna throw another alewife on here. Look at this guy, he's nice and lively.
Yeah, we caught some live alewife today.
So we're gonna hook him right through the dorsal fin. We're gonna put him back out there. Hopefully we get another one. I prefer my styrofoam a little bit higher, but a lot of times it don't stay that high.
Oh no, that'll float back. That might float right back down to your bait.
It might. Look at him go.
Wow.
What a beautiful bait, huh?
Yeah.
That is gorgeous.
And they've been hard to catch all year, but we.
Rainbows and the king salmon, they can't resist a nice live bait like that. So we're gonna cast this bad boy out here.
It's only about 8-mile-an-hour winds today.
It's not even that. It's very calm. Might be 5 to 6.
Now you use the old Sheboygan Pier trick here, and you got a bottle that you used with the open bail.
Yeah, if I don't use my bucket, then I like to go like this. And I like to open my bail.
Oh, you're the lefty.
Yeah, well, you got your
That's
shot.
my righty rod.
Yep. Now we'll take this until it's tightened up.
And that's that Sheboygan Beer 3 sheeps that we love.
Yeah, beautiful. The bad boy.
Ow.
Wisconsin's finest, right there.
Made in Sheboygan, Wisconsin.
Oh.
That's one of our favorite beers right now.
14th and Huron. Go there and try some. Right on the main drag of Sheboygan. So we'll pull this out a little bit. Little lines tight. And then there you go. You see how that line's nice and tight?
Yes.
And then after that, we get a hit. Boom. It'll knock that bottle over. You bet the bill's open. You better get over there in a hurry and set that hook.
And that's how we just got that beautiful king.
Oh, I see a nice one too.
Well, good job. All right, thanks, man.
Everybody says come down in the morning. You can get them all day long out here. You just got to be
Yeah,
persistent.
yeah. What time is it? It's about
Noon.
noon that we picked that up.
Yeah. It's almost noon now, so we got that about 11:30.
About 11:30, and it's Monday, July 27th. Well, good job,
Come
man.
to Sheboygan, catch some salmon. You should see how big they are here.
Good job, man.
22 to 28 pounds. Come on, let's go fishing.
Yeah.